Okay, it's time for math, and today we're gonna learn new things. And once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo, and I'm your math teacher here in MEP class for grade 1. So this is the book that we are using, the textbook and the workbook. So in previous lesson, I already told you that we are down already in chapter 1, 2, 3, chapter 4, and chapter 5 finished. And in chapter 6, we are here now. So last time we learned about to read picture graphs, and today we will focus on how to interpret picture graphs. Okay, we will try to interpret picture graphs. Now again, chapter 6, picture graphs, and last time or previous lesson we read picture graphs, and this time we will try to interpret picture graphs. Okay, here are the objectives of this lesson. At the end of this lesson, you must know how to read the picture graphs and to interpret, and of course you must know how to apply it to your daily life. So interpreting picture graphs. Sometimes some data cannot be easily represented by pictures. Okay, instead we can use simple shapes. What are the simple shapes? The triangle, circle, the 2D shapes. Okay, we can use a triangle, we can use a circle, square, or any two-dimensional shapes. Now later I will show you some examples. For example, like this, it's in a week. This is a weather in a week. So here, rainy day. Each picture represents one day. So the weather here are the rainy day, sunny day, and cloudy day. Now here, as you can see here, there are 4 shapes, right? That means 4 days have a rainy day. Here, sunny day and cloudy day. So from the picture graphs, we can see that there are 4 rainy days, 1 sunny day, and 2 cloudy days. Again, 4 rainy days and 1 sunny day and 2 cloudy days. And there are 7 days altogether, which make up a week. Okay, 7 days, that means 1 week. So the picture graphs can be presented horizontally too. A while ago, I show you that in vertical from the top to the bottom, right? Arrange this way. Now in horizontal, we can arrange this way. Okay, the same in horizontal and on vertical, the same numbers. Rainy day, 4 days, sunny day, 1 day, and cloudy days, 2 days. Okay, each picture or each shape represents 1 day. Now here, let's say for example, Lee has 2 polo shirts, 3 uniforms, and 5 t-shirts. Again, Lee has 2 polo shirts, 3 uniforms, and 5 t-shirts in his cupboard. Now let's try to do this one. We will create a picture graph. Okay, so clothes in Lee's cupboard, we will draw like this. So as we can see here in the problem, that there are 2 polo shirts. So we will draw here. What are we going to use? We can use a triangle. Okay, so each triangle represents 1 item. 1 triangle, 1 item. So here, polo shirts 2. So we need to draw here 2 triangles. Uniform, 3 uniforms. So we will draw here 3 triangles. T-shirts, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can draw here because there's no space. We can draw another triangle here. So become 5 triangles. Now another example. This picture graph shows the birds spotted on the roadside. So we have the pigeon birds, we have the dove, sparrow, and myna. Okay, so this one we will use letter M. So 1, 2, 3. So that means 3 pigeons. Dove, 2 doves. Sparrow, 4 sparrows. Myna, 3 mynas. If you can see here 3M, that means 3 pigeons. 2M, 2 doves. 4M, 4 sparrow, and 3M, 3 mynas. Okay, let's try to answer these questions. We have here questions. The first question, how many doves are there altogether? I mean, how many doves are here? You can see here 2 letter M, that means the answer is 2. Letter B, how many more sparrows than pigeons are there? How many more sparrows than pigeons? So 4 sparrow, the pigeon is only 3. So the sparrow is more than 1. And which bird appears the most? Most, that means have many birds. Okay, have many in number. Most, that means it's a sparrows, right? Because there are 4. Letter D, how many birds are there altogether? How many birds? So here pigeon 3, 3 plus 2 altogether, that means we need to add plus. Okay, so if we will add the pigeon, dove, sparrows, and minus, it will give us an answer of 12. So there are 12 birds altogether. And here, so these are the questions, 3 questions. So the picture here shows an ice cream cone sold at the beach. We have a durian flavor ice cream, blueberry, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. And each triangle, it represents 1 cone of ice cream. Okay, so how many cones of durian ice cream? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I will write here number 2, is this correct? Number 2 is not correct, so we will cross it out. The correct answer here is 5. So right here, number 5. If you write number 2, your answer is wrong. So that's why we need to write number 5. Letter B, which ice cream was sold as many as chocolate ice cream? When we say as many as, that means the same. Okay, so chocolate ice cream 3, vanilla ice cream 3. So the answer here is vanilla ice cream. Why? Because chocolate and vanilla the same, equal. As many as means equal. Okay, letter C, which ice cream was the least favorite? Least, the word least means the smaller number, has the smallest number. Least has the smallest number, so it is an strawberry because there are only 2. Okay, now in your workbook, let us answer your workbook here. Okay, let's answer your workbook. In your workbook, you will see there on page 83 the different kinds or types of animals. So you can see here the elephants, lions, giraffe, flamingos, monkey, penguin. What is this? Kangaroo, and this bear. We have zebras and rabbits. Now let us answer the questions on page 84. How many rabbits? There are 3 rabbits. So we need to draw hearts because each heart represents 1 animal. So 1, we write here, 1 heart, 2 hearts, 3 hearts because there are 3 rabbits, so 3 hearts. Giraffe, how many giraffes? 3. So we need to draw 2 giraffes only. So we need to draw 2 hearts. Monkeys, 3 hearts. Penguin, 6 penguins. So we need to draw 6 hearts. Bear, 2 bears. Flamingos, 2 flamingos. Kangaroo, only 1, so 1 heart. Zebra, 3 zebras. So we need to draw 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3. Lions, how many lions? 2. So we need to draw 2 hearts. Elephants, how many elephants are there? Oh, there are 2 elephants. So we will just draw 2 hearts. Okay. Now here, page 85. On page 85, the picture graph shows the animal in a zoo. Okay. So each tick, you can see it here. Each tick represents 1 animal. Now questions. First question, letter A. How many elephants are there? How many elephants? 1 tick, 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 4 ticks. That means the answer here is 4. Okay, 4 elephants. Letter B. How many bears are there? Bears? Oh, there are 3 bears. So we will just write number 3. Which is the least number of animal? Least number. Least has the smallest number. It's a lion. Right here, lion. Letter D. Which is the most? Most means have many in number. What is this? Goat. Correct. It's a goat. Letter E. Which animal is equal in number as a snake? Equal as a snake. Snake, there are 3, and it's a bear because snake has 3, bears there are also 3. Now, how many animals are there altogether? Altogether, how many animals? So we will just add the number of lions, number of elephants, goats, bear, and snakes, and then we will write it here. So there are 20 animals altogether, right? Now we need to answer question page 87. Okay, on page 87, the picture here shows the dishes sold in an eatery in half an hour. Half an hour, 30 minutes. Now here, each square represents one plate sold. Okay, again, each square represents one plate sold. So here we have here the som tam, we have the pad thai, pad kaprao, tom yum goong, and Thai green curry. Okay, now let us answer. How many questions are here? There are 6 questions, right? 6 questions up to letter F, A to letter F. Now, how many plates of Thai green curry were sold? Thai green curry, let us count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, 5. Letter B. How many more plates of Thai green curry were sold than plates of Tom Yum Goong? 5. In Thai green curry, there are 5 plates. Tom Yum Goong, only 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. That means Thai green curry has 3 more plates. Okay, sold 3 more plates. Let us see which dish was sold as many as som tam. The same, som tam, equal to som tam. What dish? It's pad kaprao, because som tam 3, pad kaprao 3. So we will write here pad kaprao. Okay, now letter D. How many fewer plates of Tom Yum Goong were sold than plates of Pad Thai? So Tom Yum Goong, only 2. Pad Thai, there were 7, right? 7. So 7 minus 2 is equals to 5, right? 7 minus 2 is 5. So therefore, Tom Yum Goong is 5 plates sold compared to Pad Thai. Letter E. Which is the most popular dish? Most popular, have many plates sold. It's a pad thai because there's 7. It's a pad thai. Now letter F. How many plates were sold all together? All together. We will add the som tam, pad thai, pad kaprao, tom yum goong, and Thai green curry. How many plates are there all together? 20 plates. Okay. Now this one, we will do it next meeting on Friday, and I hope you can do this one. But don't worry, I'm gonna help you. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless everyone. See you in next meeting.